This is a 2008 Audi A3, a great fit and finish. The most desirable features on board this Audi include height-adjustable driver and passenger seats, cruise control, a 10-speaker audio system, a CD player, airbags, electronic brake distribution, and this automobile has the safety and efficiency of front-wheel drive. The quiet 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, flows cleanly and smoothly. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. This vehicle has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this car in person.